request the principal of Srimani School of Learning to unfold his message for the students and the teachers.
All of you, good morning. అందరికీ బాలల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు మన ఏఎస్ఎస్ఆర్ మధు సార్ చెప్పిన విధంగా who is also very fond of children. We all know that children are the pillars of our nation. So they play an important role in building an educational society which leads to the improvement of our nation. So in almost, if you observe, the Children's Day has been at most celebrated, especially in the schools where the children play an important role. Children, they are innocents, and due to their manipulatable behavior, the children are trafficking in child labor. Why? Because many parents doesn't provide the children a good education. Children, they are very innocent. So, in order to protect children's rights, children's freedom, and to provide good education to the children, Government of India has decided to celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. So it is also saying that the Government of India is also saying that we have to give more priority to children. We have to encourage them. Why? Because they have hidden talent in them. We have to shape up them in the